Wouldn't you love to have a product that earns you money and helps people at exactly the same time without you having to do any work at all? I think the answer for anyone is going to be yes to that question. So if you want to turn your knowledge and your expertise into an income generating online course that is going to help people and your bottom line, then you are going to want to come on my Concept to Course 30-day course creation group coaching program. The next group is now open for enrollment, and I would absolutely love you to come and join us on some of the limited places. Now, I'd love to share with you what you get. We actually have two packages available. There's a standard package and there is a plus package. So I'm going to scroll down the screen and tell you some of the things that you get. Now, first of all, this is a program that's live. It's facilitated by me. It's coached by me every single day of the 30 days of the program, and it is delivered online. So you get me every single day coaching you through, but you don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to jump on a plane. You don't have to take time off work. You can fit this in around your own life. Now, there are 4 major modules to this particular program, and they are delivered over the 4 weeks of the course. So week 1 is all about working out what the right topic is for you. What course topic should you be teaching in order for it to be maximum profitability for you? Something that's going to be helping you and your audience on a much larger scale. For that to happen, it has to have market demand. So in module 1, I take you through all of those processes to help you ensure that you have high market demand. So this is all about the planning and profit side of the business. In module 2, we actually go through your content and your delivery. So I take you through a number of strategies to find the right content to include in your course, how to make sure that content is something that people are going to absolutely love, and then how to actually deliver it in a way that's going to be engaging for your students, that's going to make them love your program, want to keep coming back in, and importantly, completing it so that they get the results that they really, really need and joined your program for in the first place. Then we have module 3, which is all about your tech setup. So this is the bit that a lot of people are really, really scared of. Of course, it's scary when you don't know how to do it. Anything that's new is scary, and that is why you join a program like this. So you have someone like me who's done this 100 million times. Okay, there's an exaggeration, but I've done this enough times I can do it in my sleep. And this is all about helping you step by step through the process to what equipment do you need, how do you do video editing from home, how do you record your videos if you're on a budget, how do you actually set up your online school? How do you set up all of your email marketing software and connect it up to your school so that your students receive those automated emails? All of that is covered in this course, and I take you through it step by step. Not only are there demo videos in the online learning area, there are also live coaching calls with me as well to take you through that, to make sure that every single person leaves the program with everything set up and running and open for students who can immediately enroll in that program. And then there's a bonus module, module 4, which is all about launch and marketing. So you've created this amazing course in the program. Now what do you do to actually get it out to the world? So I take you through different online course launch processes and also your ongoing marketing strategy that you will need to implement for the rest of time in a way that I have done so to build myself a massive international student base of currently 20,000 students in over 146 countries. And I share the exact methods with you in this course as to how I did that, where to get the help that you might need, what stuff do you need, and we do that in a way that's as minimum cost as possible. So they're the main modules of the program, and I want to give you a quick sneak peek into the program itself. When you log in to your course, you have those main modules down here on the left hand side. So you've got your pre-preparation module, and in there are all of your course workbooks. So I'll just show you here. When you click on this, you've got all of your workbooks available in a Google Drive. And these take you through with checklists, with templates, with email swipe copy. There's a huge amount of documentation in these particular workbooks that you can have forever, for the rest of time. So these workbooks here, like this one here in particular, is a course landing page template, so exactly what to include in an online course sales page, how to set up all of your school, and all of these highly practical workbooks so that you can follow along and complete your program. Then we have a whole range of video content. So in module 1, we've got something like over 40 videos, all of your downloads, all kinds of templates are all in this document here. And I take you through this self-study process. So as well as your entire online learning area full of tutorial videos, demo videos, all of your Q&A calls, you also have a secret Facebook group. And this is the Facebook group where there is loads and loads of behind the scenes communication. You're working with other people who are also creating their own online courses at the same time as you, going through the same program, so that you can share and support each other. It's where I come in daily and answer every single question that's put in the group by you. And I will normally respond with live stream videos in there and lots of bonus content in terms of video content that I provide inside that Facebook group as our extra area of communication and support. Now, talking of extras and bonuses, there is a huge amount of bonuses that come with my Concept to Course program. So that includes having access to my Edupreneur Academy, a copy of all 12 of my books. If you're in the Plus package, I actually build your online school for you. Yes, I will build your online school and connect all of your email marketing software, set up your email automations to go out to your students, connect all your payment gateways, brand it all, design your landing page, everything for you within that 30 days. I will build your school for you. You also get a one-on-one 1-hour coaching call with me in that Plus package as well, so we can go through your unique situation. I can review your course plan with you. We can tweak it together. I can help you edit your content. That is an absolutely invaluable part of the process if you're in that Plus package program. There are also a load of other bonuses, so if you scroll down through this page, check out what you get in there. You will see that it is an absolutely massive value. Valued at over $120,000 for the Plus package. You can get that now for a massive discount early bird price. So do make sure that you jump in, that you grab that early bird discount while the places are still available. There are only 30 places on this program and a lot of those have sold already. So I look forward to hearing your questions, seeing some of you come in and join us, and I cannot wait to help you create and publish your online course very soon. See ya.